Hey everyone!
I we hope.
It is
Thursday.
It is Thursday night, and we are filming a little bit for you guys. It has been so cold and so rainy, and we really haven't done much, but we wanted to just kind of give you a little bit of our evening. It's only like, I think it's like 6 o'clock.
Yep, just after. We've had a fire going
For 5
constantly
days.
for 5 days.
Yeah, nonstop. Like, it has not gone out. And my hunk of burn and love here has been keeping it really nice and cozy in here. So I'm just gonna put you guys on. Aaron's gonna ride the bike. I just rode the bike. I'm gonna put you guys on like hyper speed. I know that's not the correct term, but hyperlapse. And I'm just going to show you guys, like, we just rearranged the whole house, and I need to clean off the table and all this different stuff. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll come back and talk to you guys a bit more, and just kind of let you know some updates. We do have a couple of potentially exciting things coming up, but we're not saying anything yet.
No.
The next morning, Aaron's leaving for a day of work building a retaining wall. Hey, I offered to come help.
No.
I should say it's Friday morning, the next morning. We filmed it yesterday, and now it's Friday morning.
Days
The days
of our lives.
of our lives. Yes. Have fun, baby. Building a retaining wall.
For all my children at the general hospital that are young and restless.
This is where I'm going to be working out off and on here. Coming up, rebuilding this retaining wall. This house is in a crazy little valley, surrounded by sliding type dirt. So, going to be working on that. Here's a bunch of the dirt, mud. Got to take out. Used to be flat. Used to meet up with that stairway. It doesn't anymore. This muddy, dirty thing doesn't help. It's obviously past its prime. There's some bugs. I'm wrapping up my day of work. Ended up at a couple different places, been pulling weeds and cutting out invasive plants and such. Can I get 4 McRibs?
4 McRibs? Medium sphere?
That's it.
We did not end up going out to pizza. We were going to with friends, and I was going to film all of that for you guys. It was so cold and we were so tired, and it was dark, and Aaron had worked all day, and he was super tired. So I'm taking you guys in to end this vlog to show you all of this adorable little Christmas stuff inside of Ace Hardware. This. So cute. I just took Portia on a walk over here. We were downtown doing some things. Look at these cute little Santa pajamas. And I just took her in here just because I love being in here during this time of year. Look at all of this beautiful stuff. So cute. They have a lot of cute little things for little kiddos. Excuse me. Sorry. They have a lot of adorable little things for kids, handmade things, locally made things, but their Christmas selection is just amazing. I love this owl tree. They really go all out here. I just absolutely love it. And every year there's new stuff, and it's just so cute. I just love coming in and looking at it all. So yeah, and then all of their fall stuff is on sale, like 30% off. I love this mushroom. Super fun. They have a popcorn machine. You can get some fresh popcorn and go do your shopping. They're all stenciled out at the registers. Anyways, so that's gonna do it, you guys. I just wanted to let you see that fun stuff. I absolutely love that store. They've got a nursery in the back. This is actually called Calaveras Lumber, but it's an Ace Hardware sister, basically. So that's gonna wrap it up. We will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining us. Take it good.